congratulations for the special awards that they had got, especially the number 7.
Okay, now, we're going to move on for the major awards. Buti na lang po, hindi kami ang magsasabi. Parang ang hirap. So, may we call on the chairman of the judges, Mr. Dindo Maloles.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. So bago ko po ibigay or announce ang winners, I just want to present the criteria kasi hindi po nila binanggit yung criteria. So mas maganda po kung malinaw na malalaman niyo kung ano po ang criteria ang pinagbatayan ng mga judges to select the winners. So the pre-pageant results, the minor awards like the best in talent, best in sportswear, best in long gown, does not affect the judging for tonight because we have our own criteria. So their score is 0. So wala po yung mga special awards na po yun. So the criteria for tonight's pageant is physical beauty, facial figure 15%, personality, poise, carriage, and confidence 25%, intelligence, tact, wit, and sensibility 50%, and audience impact 10%. Kaya ko po binanggit sa inyo because we, the judges, give more credits on the intelligence since 50% po ay intelligence. So, sana po maunawaan yung aming napili for the boys category or the male category. Our third place or second runner-up, right? No? Okay. So, Mr. Primary and Miss Pre-Elem. Okay, so our Mr. Primary sorry, hindi po kasi kami na-inform. Pasensya na po. So, sa Miss Pre-Elem, right. So, our Miss Pre-Elem goes to candidate number 6.
Zesra Pedraha. To present the award for Miss Pre-Elem, may we call on Teacher Joel, Teacher Rika, and Teacher Rika. Teacher Victor.
our Mr. Primary, we have candidate number 5, garnering an average score of 79.2. Mr. Primary.
Jairo Lucido. And to present the award, may we call on Teacher Josie and Teacher Louis.
And our Miss Primary goes to candidate number 4, garnering an average score of 79%. Number 4.
Isabel Eloncillo. Present the award, may we call on Teacher Len and Teacher Joel.
Our Mr. Intermediate goes to candidate number 3, garnering an average score of 77.2.
Nico Gonzalez. To present the award, may we call on Teacher Jera and Teacher Morris.
And for our Miss Intermediate goes to contestant number 2, garnering an average score of 77.8.
Hannah Ken Rose Rivera. To present the award, may we call on Teacher Eileen and Teacher Joel.
that we all have been waiting for has arrived, who will be crowned as the first Mr. and Miss Metian for 2010-2011. So again, it's very hard for us judges to judge them because iba-iba po yung level nila. Meron pong primary, may pre-LM, and meron pong intermediate. So napakahirap po sa aming i-judge yung bawat isa dahil magkakaiba po sila ng grade level. So but the verdict for tonight's coronation, first, our Mr. Metian, garnering an average score of 81.2, is none other than candidate number 2.
Ariel Narvaez. To present the award, may we call on Teacher Helen Aklo and Dr. Neil Balba to come up on stage.
Our Miss Metian, garnering an average score of 86%, is none other than candidate number 8.
Jermaine Garcia. And to present the award, may we call on Teacher Helen L. Aklo and Mr. Philip Valiantes to come up on stage. Isa pa pong palakpakan for Jermaine. Miss Metians. Please join our Miss Metians. Please join her. And once again, let's give them a round of applause. Okay,